Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mariah for those of you guys who are new here, and today I'm going to be doing a little haul. I placed 2 orders recently and I just wanted to flip through them with you guys. Okay, so I have one order, which this is from Plainer Kate's anniversary sale. And then I have an order from Once More with Love, and I think I'm going to save this one till the end. So let's start out with Plainer Kate. Okay, I had to redo that because I have my address on camera. So today is actually, I don't even know where I left off, where I'm going to have to like cut out and edit around. But this is from her anniversary sale, and I thought I went crazy, but you guys, I seen some of, like, I'm on the Facebook group, and I seen some of everyone else's orders, and they were, like, thick. But yeah, what I was saying before I had to, like, cut around that part was that today is Wednesday, the August 11th, as I'm filming this, and she just launched her October kits today, and let me tell you, I bought every single kit except for one. The Vineyard one I wasn't a big fan of. I'm not really well, I mean, when I drink, I am a wine person. I would rather drink like a wine cooler or something, but I'm not like full on wine every night. Like I rarely drink. So, yeah, but yeah, I bought every single kit and I bought a whole bunch of other stuff that I was like wanting and just had in my cart. So, I have another huge Plainer Kate order coming. Before we even get into what I bought, which you can kind of see, this was her 7-year sampler, and I love this. You got this for free just for ordering with the code, I believe it was. I'm not really sure, I don't really remember. But I love these stickers. Like, these are my favorite of her stickers, and that's actually, I bought some more of these sheets because there were some I didn't have, like little shopping cart I know I got. Just, yeah, I love these stickers, and I hope they never go away. But yeah, this is just her little 7-year sampler, which is super fun, and I'm happy to have gotten it. Alright, and she is selling these on her site right now, too, so if you want this and didn't place an order, you can always buy it. But moving through my orders, these are the little freebies I got. And I think, yep, you got 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, you got 7 for placing an order as well. And I'm pretty sure I have mostly every single one of these except for one, which is this one. This one I did not have already. So yeah, those are the samplers I got with my order. Alright, moving on. I did go through these just because, you guys, I cannot wait. I had to see everything. So, I believe they are all in order. All the little add-ons. So this first kit, I got all, like, these are all previous year's kits. But look at how gorgeous this is. I already am planning on using this in November. I think it would be super perfect with the Erin Condren November colors. So I got the full boxes, the washi tape, and the sampler. The thick washi, I don't know why I still do this, but I always do this. I always get the strip headers and the individual. I mean, I always have so much left over from a kit that I feel like I can use it again, and then I'll have that. But, like, I don't know why I don't buy an extra one of the sidebar and the bottom washi if I'm planning on using it again eventually. I don't know. But yeah, so the sidebar and then the pattern labels. So that's what I get in my kit, and actually my next video haul, you'll see that I changed that up a bit as well. So yeah, this kit was like definitely calling my name. Very fall, maybe even meets winter with the blues. I don't know. It's gorgeous, and I'm super happy to have it. And it's mini kit 263, if you want to just type those numbers in. The next kit I got is mini kit 261. It's so gorgeous, and it's actually kind of funny because it gives me vibes of one of the kits that she released today, which is the Foxy Fall or Falling Foxy, something like that. But here are the headers that go with it. And I'm sorry if this is like super weird. I never know how to do these hauls because I always get so many things with them. So yeah, it was like the Fox Falling Leaves type kit that she launched. Here is the thick washi, the pattern labels, and the sidebar. Super gorgeous kit. Again, I love her kits so much, and I don't mind having extras that I could potentially, like, even if I don't use this year, I can always use it next year. And just, I loved the colors in this kit, like the bright fall colors. Okay, next we have kit 258, and this is a Halloween kit. I love Halloween kits, they're gorgeous. Alright, here is the sidebar. This is the thick washi, the headers, and the pattern labels. So yeah, again, gorgeous colors. I love this, like, what is that, spider web pattern? Really pretty. And I already know which kit I'm using for Halloween, and it's not this one, unfortunately. But yeah, again, I can like save it for next year. Next kit I purchased was the Let It Snow, and this is mini kit 265. So jumping ahead to winter here a little bit. Again, I get the same things. So here is the pattern labels, the sidebar, the thick washi, and the headers. It's just gorgeous colors. I don't know, again, if I'm going to use this year, but I wanted to have it. Eventually, it will be used. I feel like this might be more of like a January kit because it'll be, you know, middle of winter type time. December is going to be full of Christmas kits. I love Christmas and I want to decorate the whole month for it. And I believe this is the last kit I purchased, and this is named Enchanted, but it's kit 254. And I remember seeing this last year when I first started purchasing Erin Condren, but it's super gorgeous. I love like the almost Disney vibes that it's giving. And I feel like I might use this around Halloween, like in October for a kit, because again, in October I'm mostly going to be decorating the whole month for Halloween. That's just, I don't know, the bigger holidays, that's how I like to get. So yeah, mini kit 254. Super pretty, and I love the purples. So that is all for Planner Kate. I went in knowing what kits I wanted because I made a little wish list prior to ordering. Like, I knew what kits I was gonna want from the previous year. And yeah, so that was my Planner Kate order. wasn't too bad. Alright, my next order and my last order, I did make a quick purchase from Once More With Love. I love Munchkins, and I was actually super surprised to open the box and there was a little freebie, an Oops freebie, and I honestly don't even know where the Oops is. Maybe I'll see it when I try to use it, but like, it's just the cutest little Munchkins. I don't know if you can see that. The cutest little Munchkins in little photo frames. It's kind of like a Valentine's Day theme. So I thought that was nice of her to send that because I was not even expecting it. This is the sampler that I received. I love the Munchkins. They're so cute. And then this is the journaling card. So that was fun. And then down to my order. I'm going to peek into these. Okay. So if you did not know, Once More With Love launched a Princesses and Villains little bundles. And I, like the first glimpse of them, I knew I had to get them. They were so adorable. And I love Disney, and we're trying to get our kids into Disney more. I mean, of course they love Disney Junior, but more of like the classics, because we are prepping to go to Disney World within the next 2 years. More looking at the end of next year, but yeah. You never know with everything going on in the world. But this is like a little stamp swashy, and they actually pull apart. So I thought that was really cool. You can use them as little stamps. Obviously not like postage stamps, but yeah. So this is the Villains bundle, obviously. And then this is the washi. It's got like a really pretty Stardust vibe to it, and it's just got all the little Disney villains on there as little munchkins. And then this one, these are actual little die cuts of the villains. And they're just big little of course, bigger stamps. So let's see if I can name all these. I probably can't. I know this is Maleficent, the Queen of Hearts. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's all I know. She's from Snow White. It's the evil queen. Mufasa, I think. Ursula, Hades, Cruella, and you lost me on these two, but I know she has to be from Snow White. Cinderella, maybe, the evil stepmother, and Jafar. I know, yep. I don't know. I need to brush up on my Disney as well. But yeah, so these were super cute. And then there was a notepad, and it just says, "Magic mirror on the wall, what should I do most of all?" So I thought that was really cute and fun. And then we have the kit, which is super exciting. I've never purchased a kit from her before, so I'm excited to use these. Don't know when I'm going to use them. I have so many kits, and maybe like around when I'm in Disney, I don't know. But these are the full boxes, and I love like the feeling. It's almost like glossy. I would call it glossy. But the areas where you actually write, no, I guess it's all pretty glossy. Yeah. This is the next sheet. Got some checklists, a weekend banner, some habit trackers. Love these for tracking my meals. And these little boxes. And she actually has a plan with me up using the Villains kit on her channel. So if you want to see that, I would go look up her channel and watch it, because I watched it. It was fun. I love these glitter headers. I've actually been, ever since last week when I planned with Fern Creek Stickers Honey Kit and I used the glitter headers, I have actually fallen in love with using those. But yeah, and then some little icon labels. There's so many boxes in here that I cannot wait to use this kit, because I know I'll have enough boxes. And then the headers, the date covers, and the bottom washi. So yeah, that is the first bundle. I did buy both bundles because it was super discounted that way, and I wanted both of them. So yeah, that was the first bundle. The next one is, of course, the princesses, which I think is my favorite one. Ooh, okay. I think that's it, yeah. So the sticky notes are Aladdin themed, and they're so gorgeous. They just have two little munchkins on a magic carpet and the little shadows. This is just, I can't wait to use these. And I'm glad to be adding them to my collection. So again, we have some stamps washi that pulls apart. And then the little the little Stardust washi as well, with all the little munchkin princesses on there. And this one didn't come with the big stamp die cuts or whatever. I don't know why, but yeah. Then going into the kit, I love this. It's so cute. And I love that she added Moana. I feel like so many Disney princesses themed things. I mean, more now. They're starting to include Moana, which is amazing. I love Moana. That movie is so great. But yeah, that's awesome that she included Moana. And I love the color scheme of this a lot more. This is more of like a gem tones. But I love the pastels. And it's all the same thing. Just repeats the same sheets, but for Disney princesses. And then we also have Elsa, which is super fun. I love Frozen too. So yeah, it says a dream is a wish your heart makes, and it just repeats that. So yeah, that was everything I had to haul. Look forward to more hauls because you girl shopped a lot today. Or this week even, like, I don't know. I'm excited for everything to come in, but I did want to do a quick little haul of those two orders. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.